let me ask you something. How much interest is your savings account paying you right now? If your answer is less than 1%, your bank is quietly taking advantage of you. Right now, in May 2026, the best savings accounts in America are paying up to 5% per year. That is more than 10 times the national average. And your money is 100% safe. No stocks, no risk, fully insured. In the next 8 minutes, I am going to show you exactly where to move your savings to make them work for you. Let us get into it. Welcome. If you are new here, this channel is all about making smart money moves for real people with real lives. Today's topic is one of the most overlooked opportunities in personal finance right now. High-yield savings accounts. If you are in your 40s, you are probably juggling a mortgage, maybe kids, maybe starting to think seriously about retirement. You do not have time to day trade stocks or study the market every morning. You just want your money to be smart. So today, here's what we will cover. First, what a high-yield savings account actually is. Second, why your big bank is keeping you in the dark. And third, the best accounts available right now in May 2026, with real rates. Let us start. A high-yield savings account is exactly what it sounds like. It is a savings account, but instead of earning almost nothing, it earns a significantly higher interest rate. Here's the number that will surprise you. The national average interest rate on a regular savings account right now is 0.38%. That means if you have $20,000 sitting in a savings account at a big bank, you are earning about $76 a year. That is not even one dinner out. Now with the best high-yield savings accounts in May 2026, you can earn 4 to 5% on that same $20,000. That is $800 to $1,000 per year, just for switching accounts. And here's the part that matters most. This money is FDIC insured up to $250,000. Same safety as your regular bank. Zero extra risk. Let me show you what is actually happening behind the scenes. You deposit $20,000 at a big bank like Chase or Bank of America. They turn around and loan that same money out at 7, 8, even 10% interest. They are making thousands of dollars off your cash. And what do they give you back? 0.01%. 10 cents on every $1,000 for the entire year. This is not a mistake. JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. They do not need to offer you better rates because most people never switch. They stay out of habit, out of convenience, out of not knowing there is a better option. The banks are counting on that. But here's the good news. Opening a high-yield savings account takes about 10 minutes online. You do not need to close your existing bank account. You just link them together and transfer money back and forth whenever you need to. Simple as that. Before you open any account, here are 5 quick things to check. 1. What is the actual APY, and are there conditions to earn it? Some rates require direct deposits or a minimum balance. Always read the fine print. 2. Are there any monthly fees? Even a small fee eats into your interest. Look for 0 monthly fees. 3. Is the money FDIC insured? All the accounts I mentioned today are, but always verify, especially with newer apps. 4. How easy is it to transfer money? You want to move money between this account and your checking account without any hassle. Most good accounts link within 1 to 3 business days. 5. Does the rate stay competitive over time? Some banks drop their rates fast after you join. Look for banks with a track record of keeping rates strong. Alright, here are the top accounts worth your attention right now in May 2026. Number 1. Vero Money, up to 5% APY. 5% is the highest rate available in the US right now. To earn the full rate, you will need to meet some conditions like qualifying direct deposits or a minimum balance. But even their base rate beats most traditional banks easily. If you are comfortable with a fully digital banking experience, Vero is worth a serious look. Number 2. SoFi High Yield Savings, up to 4.5% APY. SoFi is one of the most well-rounded options on this list. No monthly fees, no minimum balance, and the app is genuinely easy to use. SoFi also lets you create separate savings vaults inside one account, so your emergency fund, vacation fund, and home project fund are all tracked separately. For busy professionals managing multiple goals, that kind of organization is really helpful. Number 3. Axos Bank, up to 4.1% APY. Axos is a reliable, no-nonsense option. No monthly fees, no minimum opening deposit. If you want a straightforward account that just earns a great rate, Axos delivers. Number 4. CIT Bank Platinum Savings, up to 4.1% APY. CIT Bank is ideal if you have $5,000 or more to park. Once you hit that balance threshold, you unlock their platinum rate. Great for larger emergency funds or cash you are not touching for a while. Number 5. Valley Bank and Live Oak Bank. Round for percent APY. These two are consistent and reliable. They do not always make the headlines, but they have maintained strong rates over time. One quick honorable mention: New Tech Bank was named the best savings account of 2026 by NerdWallet at 4.2% APY, but they are currently not accepting new customers due to overwhelming demand. You can join their waitlist if you are interested. Let us bring it all together. The national average savings account rate right now is 0.38%. The best high-yield accounts are offering up to 5%. That gap is real money. On a $20,000 balance, that is the difference between $76 a year and $1,000 a year. Same money, different account. You have worked hard for the money sitting in your savings account. It should be working hard for you too. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one account from today's list. Spend 10 minutes opening it online this week. Move at least your emergency fund over to Start. You will feel the difference in your very first monthly statement. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. And if you want smart money content every Thursday and Sunday, hit subscribe. Next Thursday, we are talking about how tariffs are affecting your everyday budget in 2026 and what you can actually do about it. I will see you then. Take care of your money.